Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jonathandglaser here, and I thought I'd make a video to help you guys promote rewards and using free traffic. So this method's been working pretty good for me, so I'm gonna share that with you. And if you're not familiar with what level rewards is, it's pretty much you're gonna be getting paid for using services such as Hulu. Um, some credit score ones. They got Dollar Shave on there and stuff like that. So I mean, you can check it out by clicking in the description below. But for those that know what it is, we're gonna just dive right in. The method is hosting the Facebook groups. So this is what I'm gonna teach in this video: is how to create persuasive copy, which should be a Y right there. How to create eye-catching images, how to keep your ads on the top of the groups so more people see them, and of course respond to them, and then how to post to 20 groups without an auto poster. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create your image. Then you can design an ad around that. So what we're going to do is pop on over to Google. Good old Google, and we're gonna find ourselves an image. When you're doing this, just kind of think of a color scheme that you want to work on. That's gonna, like, the main objective is to disrupt people's scrolling patterns. So you want something that's gonna catch their eye. Color schemes such as black and yellow, black, red, black, white, purple, yellow. Those are really vibrant colors, and they grab the eye. So, which will then they will stop and they'll read what you got going on. So, just be thinking of that, mainly for the background. So I'm just gonna go with good old black. So black background. And then you can get fancy with it here. You can go to whatever you want to do here. You can do slick. I like this. I use this a lot. You can come down here and find that. But for this, I'm just gonna keep it simple and just go good old just flat black. So once you find the one you want, you're going to right click it, copy. And then we'll go to a site called Pixlr first. Now keep in mind, I don't have Photoshop, so I'm just doing this on web-based apps. So if you have Photoshop, it's probably going to be a lot easier. Or if you know Photoshop, it's going to be a lot easier. And another alternative is you can even pay someone to do this too. So you can go to Fiverr and get this outsourced. It only takes few minutes really to do. So there's just alternate ways to do it. So once you get that code, you paste it in here. Okay, so this one doesn't like that. One second. Okay, I have to pause the video so I can save it and then upload it. So sometimes if you can't right click it in, most of the time you can. Sometimes you just have to save it and then come up here to open image and just use the image. So the next step is to adjust it. So I adjust the size to 1280 by 720, and simply for the purpose that so I can multi-purpose this image and use it for say a Facebook ad maybe, or a YouTube thumbnail. So we'll just size it to that, and then we're going to come over to level rewards, proof pick group, and we're going to find a image to use of people's results they're getting. So this step, if if you've already been making results and you've got proof that you are getting payouts and stuff, then you know, you can skip this step and just use your results. But you know, if you're just starting with level rewards and you don't have any proof picks yet or anything like that, you know, you can come here and leverage other people's results, and that's what this group is for. And I've seen I've seen a few people that are crushing it teaching this method. So I actually tried it out and it works, and so this is kind of how I do it. So what I do is I come and I find a good picture that has it's current. So this one's pretty good because this was just posted today, because July 4th was yesterday, and you know, it's got some good commissions going on there, because you want to kind of make it current. So let's see. Let's keep going here. Let's see. This one looked good, and so we're gonna grab this one, and we're just gonna do the same thing. Copy image. We're gonna go to our Pixlr editor. I'll leave the links in the description below, so you can go there and snag that, or you know, access these web-based apps. Okay, so once you got that, your next step is to crop this out. So you can just do right here. I'll just kind of go down, and then there you go. The next thing to do is to adjust the size on this. So you're gonna want to make that a little bit smaller. Let's try 400. And then once you got that, you will simply copy it, paste it to the background you have here, and then if you're happy with it, so you can use that. You can say let's try and make it just a little bigger. So and you might have to fiddle with it for a few, just to get it until it's, you know, looks right to you. So we can make this just a little bit bigger. So we'll go we'll adjust the height. We'll make the height 450, and then we will do the same thing, copy it in there, and then we're going to head over to another editor. And then we'll have our image. Here we are. That looks good. I'm happy with that. So we'll just center that, adjust it, and then come over here. We're going to save it. We're going to label it. We'll just say like level rewards, black background, image. We'll just label it that, and then once that saves, we'll find our I'll find my thing here. There it is, and then we'll just save it there and moving on. Okay, so the next thing I do is I'll go to PicMonkey, simply because I like the way their options there and their tools, their text and everything, options. It's a lot easier to do it there, so I'll do a lot of my font and stuff there. And you can do it. You can try it out for free. You can use it for free. You get a lot more features for the upgrade. It's like $8 a month. You can try it out for a week, and you get access to a lot more fonts, which is super cool. So we're gonna do that. Since it's loading, we will quickly edit our image and be done, ready for copy. So you can come here, you can play with it. You can do a lot here. I just use mainly overlays and text, but there's lots of stuff here you can play with. So you can come here and you can get creative with it. Make some unique images, something that's going to stand out and set yourself apart from the rest of the ads that are on there, which is your main goal here. So I'm just going to use next to Rust, and then just going to click text or add text, and we'll just move this guy up here. We'll type in free opportunity, and then I'm going to highlight it and find the color, which I think I'm going to go with purple, and then we'll adjust the size a little bit, make it pop. Alright, alright, good. There we go. And here we go. Oops. And then we'll put it up like that. And then we'll do a couple more things here. So we'll say, would you, oops. Again, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to change the color. So, remember what I was saying earlier about the color scheme. This is a good color scheme. It's going to grab the eye. And then we'll just keep adding something like that. And we're almost done here. We will color it. Line it up, and then add the call to action. There we go. We'll put some color on that. We're all done. And then you can just size a little bit, whatever size you want. I like to do just a little bit bigger there, and we're good. Next thing you're gonna do is just save this, and then we'll work on the copy next. So we're gonna switch this back. I actually did the wrong one there, and let's see. I can make it just a little bigger. There we go. There we go. So that's really all I do. That's all I've done for my images. It's just keep it simple like that. Next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna come up here, and then you're gonna save it or you're gonna export it, depending on what your plan is like. If it's a free plan, it'll just be save, and then you'll just come over here and you'll be able to save it, and you're all done. Now we're ready to get started on the copy. So let's get going on that. Okay, so once you have your image created, then you can just start posting in the group. So that's the next part. I'm going to show you how to how to write the copy, to create curiosity, that get people to ask for info, and so that they respond, and you can send them your link and they'll sign up and go through the offers, and use the training as well. So that's the next part. The last thing I want to point out about the images that I just showed you how to create is that that's just for if you don't have Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, it's a whole different, it's a lot easier to do. But I don't have Photoshop at the moment, so that's just how I do it. So, and then so once you're ready to go and place your ads, you just type in, stay-at-home jobs, work from home, any kind of group that people are at that are interested in working online and creating income. So, and this method has worked for me, so I'm just going to keep going with it. Alright, so next thing you're going to do is let's see. There we go. And you're going to type a title in. So I usually go like, get paid today, sign up. Actually, let's try this one. This one's actually, but you can go like, get paid today, sign up for free, start today, get paid today, real unique online business, product testers. You just have to get creative with the ad. Or you can do like, free system is generating over $400 daily. Sign up free today, or something like that. Just people want to make money. People are greedy. You have to kind of nurture that greed, and it'll catch their eye if they can learn how to make $400 a day. So I am going to do and it's all about testing too. So like, whichever ad you find gets the best responses, use that same copy and post it again, and then do the whole process I'm showing you now. So I found this one works pretty good. And we'll just put 0 for the price. Then for the copy, you want to go like, this business is hot, is popping, is going viral. We'll go has gone viral. And you can use like capital people, letter, so there you go. So it's also, people want instant gratification, so they want to be able to make money right away. This can do that. I mean, I don't really, it's not false advertising. It just depends on the individual. So I made about $20 within like an hour and a half with this. So it just depends on the action they take. And then most importantly is, people want to know how to do it. So like, training is included to help you generate up to, and then you can pick your price. You can say 700 for 800. I like to say 400 plus, and up to is very important, because you want to, you don't want to guarantee this is gonna, you gotta pique people's interest and get them to realize that they can make that much, not just sign up and then they're automatically there. You want people to, you want serious people. And then of course you're gonna want to add some emojis just to kind of make it pop a little more. So let's see. If we can find the dollar emoji. I don't know where that's at. I usually do these from my phone. So let's see. Keep going, keep going. I guess we can use that one. So we can use that guy for now. If you can find the dollar one, that would be a lot better. Let's see. Let's see. We're almost there. There we go. So we can use that one. And there we go. So that will make it pop. And all we need now is our call to action. So sign up free now. Don't let this and if you want, you can even put scarcity in there, like first 5-10 people that sign up get access to a bonus you got, or something that's going to help them succeed with this. Or you can even just add the training to get access to your exclusive training that's going to help them generate 400,000 a day, which will help them take action. But mostly it is it's free to sign up, and then the training and all that will, if you have it, which you can snag it in the link below, or the description below, and actually grab the site I use that has the training included, and then use that to promote your ad. And then next you're just going to say, comment, sign me up below. Or message me for there you go. And what that does is that makes people actually have to interact on your post. They either have to like or they have to comment, which will bump your post up each time they do that, and it will keep your post to the top. So it'll be among the first posts you see, which is why it's very important to have this image that catches the eye, because they will see that and then they will stop and they will read their posts. So that's it. You just got to keep it really simple like that. And then the next thing is to post into 20 groups. You are going to go here and just click the groups you want to post in until you have 20. So we'll just go down here and we'll just click all of them until we've gotten to 20 groups. And I like to keep in groups that have 20,000 or more. And then I'll just keep going until I hit 20 groups and I can't post no more. And like as you notice, these are all work from home groups, groups that people are looking for businesses. I don't post a lot in Craigslist. I don't really get very good responses. There's a few Craigslist groups that I do, but I'm actually not going to do that this time around. I usually do Craigslist for my primary business. And let's see. Yeah, let's see, we're almost there. And then one more. There you go. There's 20 groups. Next thing you're going to do is post. That's going to go out into the land of Facebook. And now you just need to keep an eye on your notifications. And let's see, one last thing. If you noticed here, you can actually post to more places. So you can do that a number of times from the same ad, and you can actually post to a lot. So wait like an hour or 2 hours, see the responses you get, see the groups that are responding to, and then you can come back and you can post to more groups. So it's just that simple. You don't need an autoresponder. It is manual. It does help to have one. I don't use one. I just do that. And then one last thing to note is sometimes you can get overwhelmed on your notifications. So if you come to the group, I'm not sure if you can do it on your desktop, but you can do it on your phone. If you go to the group on your phone, it'll show you the items that you've listed, and you can go there and you can click on, it'll show this ad, or whatever ad you posted, and you can click on it, and then you can scroll down and you will see the comments section, and you can just click the comments and you can see the comments on all the ads that you posted for that, and then you can respond to them as well, so you won't miss any leads. So I hope that helps. I hope you got some value from this. It's a good little free way to get free traffic to your level rewards account, and you'll get some instant commissions coming in. So if you're not in level rewards, click the link below and sign up and use this training. I have others too on my YouTube channel, so subscribe to that so you don't miss that, any new ones I got coming out. And most importantly, if you need to use the site that I have, if you're already a member of Level Rewards, feel free to snag it. Just replace the hosting part. That's everything in front of the dot, and put your own username there. So that's it. I hope you got value, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Have an awesome day.